Hi, my name is Usman. I'm a photographer at Sonder Creative, and I've been a professional now for about 6 years, and in that time I've had about 3, maybe 4 storage devices fail on me. One of them was a CF card, the other 2 or 3 were SD cards, and previously when these devices failed on me, I could do a couple of steps to try and make them work, but if that didn't work, then based on my understanding, I would have had to send it over to some professional recovery company, and then it would cost me X amount per gigabyte, which was way more expensive than I could afford, so it wasn't something I would do, which just meant that whatever data I've lost, I've just lost. I just had to take it on the chin. Recently, I had another SD card fail on me, and it's this SD card right here. So this is the actual SD card that's failed on me. I've already tried a bunch of steps to try and get it working again. Like I've tried putting it into a different card slot, I've tried reassigning the letter, I've tried updating drivers, I even tried using SanDisk's solution software or whatever, and none of those things worked. So the only thing I'm gonna have to do is format the SD card and then basically use some recovery software. And coincidentally, a few days after this SD card failed, this company called Stellar Recovery contacted me asking if I wanted to review their recovery software. And because I need it, I obviously said yes, and that's why I'm making this video. Also makes you wonder, GDPR is not working, is it? Anyway, so I haven't formatted this card just yet, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hop onto my computer, I'm gonna format the SD card, I'm gonna go into Stellar Recovery, the software suite, and I'm gonna try and recover as much of the data as I possibly can. Now, there's a key thing that I need to mention, which is extremely important. If your SD card fails and you have to format it, and there's data on the SD card that you need or which is important and you don't want to lose, make sure you don't add more data onto the SD card. Make sure you don't put it into your camera, take some more pictures, do none of that. Immediately use some recovery software or some recovery method before you start putting more data onto it. The reason for that is because if you start taking more pictures, if you put any new data onto it, there's a good chance that it's going to overwrite previous data that's already in there. And if that happens, chances are you're not going to be able to recover that information. So anyway, let's hop onto my computer, let's open up this software and see whether it can recover all of my pictures and stuff on this SD card. Okay, so I've got the SD card connected, and as you can see, it doesn't appear like any other drive. It doesn't have the storage capacity bar, and if I try and open it, it just tells me that I need to format the disk. So that's exactly what we're going to do now. So I'm just going to do a quick format and see if that can work. So let's just hit start, and that's brought the drive back into working condition. So now I can actually access it, but all of my data is gone. So it's basically any of the pictures that I had, they're all gone now. So I'm going to open up the Stellar Recovery software, and let's see how intuitive and how simple and so on this is. And hopefully we can get some data back from this drive. So it's this one, if I'm not mistaken. Let's just scan that, and this might take a while, so I will just speed this up and wait for it to finish, really. Well, that took a while, but finally completed, and we've got about 41.17 gigabytes worth of data that's recoverable. I'm just literally just reading off the screen here, but this is what we've got. So I'm just going to close this screen, and now we've got all the photos that are recoverable. So lots of Sony files, Canon files, and then Fuji files. I don't think I need to recover any of the Fuji files, but definitely need to recover the Sony files, because those are the ones that I was using. Video wise, I don't think there's any video on there which I need to recover, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to only recover the Sony and Canon files, and then audio wise I'll leave that as well, and let's hit recover. Actually, do you know what, let's stay on the safe side and just recover everything, and that way there aren't any problems. So destination, okay, so I need to create a destination on my desktop. Let's call this, let's create a new folder. Stellar recovered. And let's select that folder. Let's see what advanced settings there are. Recovery options, include deleted. Yeah, that all looks fine. Let's just start saving. And once again, this is probably going to take a little while, so we can skip ahead through the magic of editing. Right, so that's done, and now time for the moment of truth. So I'm just opening this folder up, and here we have audio. What's in the audio? I'll listen to that later. Photos, and these were the two main folders. Maybe the Fuji folder, I'll look at that as well. But let's look at the Canon one. That one looks a little bit corrupted, but yeah, these files are, somewhat old files, so I guess, it's good that it recovered files that were shot quite some time ago. Let's look at the Fuji files. Yeah, these aren't very recent files either, but main files were the ones, and here we have, yep, that's pretty much all the pictures that I needed. Brilliant. Okay, so this actually works. This is pretty damn good. I was a little unhappy when this SD card failed on me, and yeah, they are actually full RAW files. They're not just small JPEGs, so that's definitely a good thing. These are some older files that I don't need anymore, but they're there, so that's brilliant. The fact that it can recover files that I don't need and I haven't used in a while, and of course there's pictures of me looking like, well, you know the word. So yeah, I mean, this is actually quite fantastic. I'm really pleased that the SD card, the data on the SD card hasn't been lost. I've managed to get that back, so that's fantastic. And now I guess, I can carry on using this SD card. So there you have it. That's a genuine, completely real demonstration of data being recovered on a SD card that failed on me. And honestly, that's a huge relief for me, because I was a little concerned going into this, thinking, what if it doesn't work? What if I've lost that data? I was honestly concerned about that. So I'm properly happy. You can see how happy I am, because I haven't lost that data. That's a big relief off my mind. So I am happy. I'm genuinely happy. And yeah, stellar recovery, man. Properly works. Now, I don't have an affiliate link, so if you do decide that you want to purchase that software, I don't make a penny off that. I'll leave a link below, but like I said, not an affiliate link. It's just a link to their website. I do recommend it. It's properly worked, and yeah, I've got my data back. I mean, the thing is, SD cards do fail, and in my career I've had a bunch of SD cards fail. I've had a couple of SD cards fail in my Fuji camera, the X100F. Unfortunately, it's only got one single card slot. Love that camera, and I'm not hating on the camera, so if you're a Fuji fanboy out there, just relax, chill out. I'm not hating on the camera. I love that camera, but fact is that I've had SD cards fail on me, and the fact that something like this is going to be able to recover that data for me, and I've got that little safety net, is a huge relief, and it's just this massive comfort that I'm not going to be left without the images and data that I take, or images that I produce, and that there is a recourse that I've got available if anything should happen. So yeah, there you have it. That's stellar recovery in genuine action, and like I said, I guess I do recommend it. Anyway, just want to say thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, hit the like button, please subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions, especially around preventing data loss or data recovery, please do leave your suggestions. I definitely want to hear from you. I think it'll be useful both for me and other people that might be viewing this video, so please do let me know, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Thank you.